So welcome back to the channel. We are once again back with one more very important topic, and in this video firstly I will tell you that what we are going to cover. Okay, we are going to cover JEE main new eligibility criteria, which is known to many of you, but many of you are still unknown from this. Okay, the second thing we'll be talking about the important topics about JEE main, like the reservation criteria, which topics contain maximum weightage in the paper, and all those things, top colleges, and at last we'll also be discussing about the admission procedure through JEE main in some of the top colleges in the country. Okay, so with this, welcome back to the TestprepKart channel. We hope all of you are doing great in your life. All of you are safe. Okay, so let us begin with our today's topic. So first of all, let me tell you about the JEE main eligibility criteria. Okay, for this year the eligibility is little bit changed. Okay, that 75% criteria, which is for general candidates, and 65 for the reserved categories, is removed. Means you have to just pass your class 12th. For Indian as well as NRI candidates, we will be also taking the NRI perspective in this particular video, so you all have to watch complete video. Okay, so 75% criteria is not there for the year 2021 due to pandemic situation, and no 65% is required to reserved category. You just have to pass your class 12th examination. Other than this, you should have physics and maths as a compulsory subject, with optional subject from chemistry, biotechnology, or computer science. Okay, so these are optional subjects. So this is all about eligibility. There is no such age limit, but you can consecutively attempt JEE main for 3 years. Like you have attempted it in 2020, then you are attempting it in 2021, then in 2022. You can't attempt it in 2023. Okay, so this is the basic eligibility criteria. Now let us move to one more very important topic, which is the reservation criteria in JEE main. What is the reservation for Indian as well as for the NRI candidates? Okay, so talking about the reservation criteria, for SC candidates 15% seats are reserved, for ST 7.5% seats are reserved, for OBC candidates 27% of the total seats are reserved, for economically weaker sections, or we can say them general EWS, 10% seats are reserved, and 5% of the seats in each of the categories are reserved for physically handicapped people. Okay, talking about the NRI reservation, it will vary from college to college. Like for example, in NIT Rourkela 79 seats are reserved for NRIs. In NIT Warangal there are 111 seats are reserved for the NRIs. So if we see, around 15% of seats in almost all the NITs are reserved for the NRI candidates. Okay, under DASA or CIWG category. So this is all for the reservation. Now let me tell you about the top colleges through JEE main. What are the top colleges in the country which are providing admission on the basis of JEE main? Okay, so the first one is undoubtedly NIT Trichy, then IIIT Hyderabad, NIT Warangal, NIT Rourkela, NIT Surathkal, MNIT Allahabad, MNIT Jaipur, IIIT Allahabad, IIIT Delhi, and ICT Mumbai. So these are some of the best colleges which you can target in the examination of JEE main. Okay, now let us move to one more very important topic, I can say, because this will help you to really gain good marks. What are the most weightage containing topics in JEE mains? In physics, chemistry and maths, what are the most weightage containing topics? So talking about physics, the most weightage containing topics include kinematics, rotational motion, current electricity, and modern physics. Okay, you have to study all the chapters, but you should focus more on these because they contain good number of questions. Okay, talking about chemistry, then atomic structures, thermodynamics, equilibrium, p block elements, aldehyde ketones, and carboxylic acid. So these 5 to 6 chapters are very important from chemistry point of view. Talking about maths, then matrix and determinants, integral calculus, differential calculus, vector and 3D geometry, and at last coordinate geometry. So these are the topics from maths which are containing maximum weightage. Okay, now let us move to the examination centers. So for Indian candidates, like who are from India, they have almost center in each of the state, in almost each of the city. Okay, so there are plenty of examination center in India, but talking about the centers from outside India, because these are less known to the people. So if some of your NRI candidates and you are outside India, then you can definitely go for these centers like Colombo, Kathmandu, Singapore, Bahrain, Dubai, Muscat, Riyadh, and Sharjah. So these are the centers which are outside India. Okay, so you can fill these as your examination center. So this is all for the examination center. Now let us move to the last topic of this video, which is important after giving your examination, like the admission procedure. Okay, how you get admitted in some particular college. So first of all, you should register for JEE Main. This is the first and foremost step. You have to attempt the examination. Okay, then you have to sit in the examination. You will get your result. Okay, and in your result you will get two types of ranks. One is your all India or CR rank, and second, if you are from any reserved category, then category rank. Okay, then after that you have to apply for a counseling known as JOSA counseling. JOSA is a counseling conducting body in India that is conducting counseling for almost all the top IITs, NITs, and IIITs, or CFTIs, GFTIs. Okay, so you have to fill that particular counseling. Okay, in that counseling you have to fill the college choices, your branch choices. Okay, and according to your rank you are allotted a particular college. There are generally 7 rounds, but due to pandemic situation the round has been reduced to 6. Okay, so if you get a seat in these particular 6 rounds, okay, then that seat will be yours. If you do not get seat in any of the 6 rounds, you have to go for another counseling that is called CSEP counseling. Okay, that is for the vacant seats. If some of the seats are not filled, then your CSEP counseling is conducted. Then you have to report in that particular college after getting the seat, and your admission procedure is complete. Okay, so this is all for the video. If some of you are NRI candidates, TestprepKart has NRI ebook prepared for you, and link given in the description section. You can definitely download it, and hope you liked the video. If you liked it, then consider subscribing the channel for more such content from TestprepKart. Thanks a lot.